Hey, y'all doing Gunner again. So we're gonna be doing some welding with the welder I showed you in the last video. So we're welding on the truck tailgate. Should I tilt it? Yeah. All right. Now, what we're welding with is a stick welder, right, Dad?
Yes, sir.
Yep. Pretty cool. It uses electricity. So, yep, powder by there. And that is a Lincoln arc welder. Really good welder. That's pretty cool.
Grinding time.
So now we're grinding off the rough edges and chiseling off some pieces there. Really hot now, of course. There it is again. Didn't really show it very good last video. We just did an oil change on it. Put a new Wix filter on it, and that's warm. Yep, new oil, new filter. It's all ready. Got some new gas. Everything. I just wanted to do a welding video with the welder I showed you guys in the last video. So, see you in the next video, guys.